Hello! Today we're going to go over how to draw Pepa from Encanto. Okay, fun movie. I really enjoyed it, and I have a lot of other lessons of it on here, but let's jump right into this one, okay? So let's get into drawing Pepa here. Alright, let's get started with her face. So I'm going to go over here, kind of in the middle of her face. And I'm going to pull down for her nose, curve back. Go over here to the back side of her nose, around the wing of her nostrils right there. Okay. Go over here to her eyes, kind of above the nostril. I'm going to basically draw up over here, curve back. Go over here down, curve in. Right on. Going to draw a curved line here for the iris and pupil. Curved line here. I'm gonna make little triangles here for the eyelashes. Go over here on this side, curve out, down. Go over here, curve here. And I'm gonna go over here on this side, find the iris over here, and the pupil on this side. I'm gonna actually make the eyelash a little bit more here. Out, out, out. Line over here. That's for their eyebrow. Go over here, pull up for this eyebrow. Don't forget to hit the like. The YouTube channel lives on likes. It is basically like the gasoline for the channel. It's the only thing that really keeps it going. So absolutely do that. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw this line over here. So she's gonna have kind of a mad face because that's when she had the cloud, right? Pepa in Encanto is upset. Curve up here for the lip, top lip, curve down, curve down. Line over here for the lower lip, and a line right here for that extra, for that lower lip right there. Okay. Gonna go here to the side of the face, pull out, down. Go over here on this side. Curve over here. Line over here. All right, and so her biggest feature, I think, is her hair. So her hair is very curly. So right here, we're gonna start from this part of her head, curve out, wiggle down here. Over here, wiggle down here. And that's gonna be one chunk, okay? Back. Down over here. Up. Curve up here. Curve up here for wiggle, and it's gonna wiggle back down there to kind of where the hair's growing out. And I'm gonna pull another line, this time upward. And I'm gonna pull it back here this time. Kind of wiggle it as well. It's a lot of wiggly, kind of like spaghetti or something. I'm not really sure quite the metaphor, but something like SpaghettiOs. Line down here for right here the neck, right here on this side of the neck. Pull up just a bit. Gonna find the ear on this side, curve. And she has like a tie in her hair, so that's gonna be showing out here a little bit. A little bit right there. And wiggliness for the hair on this side. Line over here, out for that tie back there. The way you're gonna tell the difference between this and the hair is inside this chunk of hair, I'm gonna do the wiggliness in the middle there. line here, line here, line here. Same thing, wiggliness over here, wiggliness over here. And she's got kind of like tied hair in the back. She has kind of a bit of a, goes down into this like ponytail thing going on. But we're gonna go over here, out. She has a dress, curve underneath here. A clavicle sticks out here, clavicle sticks out here. And what's gonna happen is I'm gonna go over here and draw the ruffles of that, the top of that dress. And I'm gonna go down here and draw the rest of the hair like so. And it's gonna go down here. It's gonna be the end of that hair. Curve, curve, like line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line over here. Line, line. And you can kind of end it there if you'd like, but let's draw that cloud over here, over her head. That cloud over her head and maybe like a little lightning sticking out of it, which will really kind of indicate that it's her. That's pretty much it. That is Pepa. That's at least one version of Pepa. All right. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up.
And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.